Hey guys, this is Chad again. Today I'm here with, besides doing some mining with a A3, that's since last night about 10 p.m. I'm playing this game, luckygames.io, which is a high-low dice site. And as you can see, I have this Kashi BTC earning bot working for me. So I have the download in the description, and I'll show you how to use it if you just go to your console, which will be under on Google Chrome. Will be under more tools, developer tools, and as you can see, it'll pull up this screen on the right side of your browser, and it needs to be highlighted where it says console, and you just take the downloaded file and select all and copy and paste to the console app, and I'll show you how to do that. We'll open up our File Explorer and go to our Lucky Games folder, and we'll open Lucky Games. And this is what the file looks like. You select all, copy, go ahead and close that out, and then we'll paste it here and press enter on the keyboard, and the Kashi BTC earning bot comes right up. I'm going to move the decimal point over 5 places, so 707 is 3, and then the 0 is 4. I want to put a 1 on the 5th place. We'll click Start Bot. As you can see, it will continue to make bets while you clean house or do whatever you're going to do. And as you can see, the largest bet so far was 8. You may want to do 0.001 or 0.004. Keep in mind that it doesn't multiply of 2, so 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So if you were to say 0.02, then you would be one more bet would occur as opposed to 0.01 as far as how much those bets are worth. And this seems to work. I had it on last night for a few hours, and luckygames.io will give you 500 free lucky coins to begin your high-low dice adventures with. And I'm not sure if you can trade those in or if they're on the exchanges or what. But it's pretty neat. So give this out a shot, and I may put my affiliate link in there. It's no big deal, really, but if you could just download the file and copy and paste it to your console, then you'll be able to start automatic betting on luckygames.io, just like I did. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and comment. Have a great day.